Ka tenat pulet hak sengi balang kalapan mi ya ka jingpen mana hak bai dei ka jingpen rung ya ki kampulet ki balai na ka benta ar hajar kandai spa rupu pratali ya ka ne ka jingpen mana la palai na ka shlem traikam jong Inspector General of Police ubalong ru chairman ka Central Recruitment Board hak ne ki jingpen mana la krenchai ba ki nong chong snong ki bathap ki kam ki balai ki la ban le ya ka ne tang leng ba ka ransan online but anom pediang setia ya ki kot tap kam da ki wei pat ki lendi ya ki kot ki slaban tap an haban pendap bat tap langba ko online na du ka sitarik uya yong arjar arpsau bat ka tarik ka bakhadu ban pediang ki kot ki slaga dai ha laipo tarik uya yong arjar arpsau na kliang UIG ubadai ru chairman jong kabut ulayu thu ba ki don arjar khandai spa an rupu pratali ki kam haki kerdan beper kini ki kentup ya nyau perutuli na ka benta ka sub inspector an am branch nyau spa arpotuli ya ki constable an am branch chi spa khnai pu santali ki fireman san politely ki driver fireman ar perutuli ki fireman mechanic ar spa santali ki MPRO operator san perutuli ki signal dalor kata ki don shiajar saus pa khnai pu sautali ki kam ki balaj na ka benta ki am branch Constable, MPRO, GD Constable, Handyman. Ki don ro sa shispa sa politely ki kam nak benda ki driver constable. Habak hen kelum ki kam baro ki balat ki long ar hajar kendai spa an rupu pratali mat nak ni labha saus pa sa pusantali nak benda ki samla ki bedai nak an reserve kategori shejar shispa praphu nyau nak benda ki Khasi Jaintia shejar shispa prapo pratali nak benda ki Garo but she spa sapo pratali nak benda ki schedule caste but schedule tribe katanat kalaong ba kani ki jingai bha kalong kat kum ka reservation policy
how proud we are to have able to bring out the advertisement for the new police vacant posts within the Meghalaya police. We have around 2,968 posts advertised so far in various categories. For the sub-inspector, as I mentioned yesterday, sub-inspector there are 76 vacancies. And the underarm branch constable category, we have 1,255 posts. For the post of armed branch constable, we have 1,637 posts. This is for the candidates. This is for the general information of the candidates. Candidates can apply for, there are a total of 9 different posts in these 3 categories. Candidates can apply for all 9 posts depending on your qualification, and there is no bar on anyone to apply for any of the posts as long as you are eligible, the age and the qualifications. For the sub-inspector, the qualification level is graduate, and for the UB constable it is class 12 pass, and for the AB category it is class 9 pass. So for example, if you are graduate and you enter your names and your details, so all the 9 categories will be open for you to apply. So as in the last recruitment, we saw many people applying for almost all the posts. So similarly we are having this. There's a new change in our new advertisement in this new recruitment system that we have brought in. Earlier, if for example in the UB category, UB constable category, there are around 6 posts. There is unarmed branch constable, fireman, driver fireman, MPRO operator, and battalion signal operator. So earlier what you have to do, all of them have to do the PET and then they qualify for the written. This time we have taken the decision that if you apply for the UB category, you will do only one PET exam, uh, regardless of how many posts you have applied within the UB category. Likewise, if you apply for the AB category and multiple posts under the AB category, you need to do only one PET test for the AB category. And out of this, we will have, uh, and likewise the written also. The written for the UB constable also, there will be only one written paper, and for the AB category also, there will be only one paper. So we've simplified the, so it lessens the stress on the candidates themselves. The age, the age we are counting from the 1st of January. For the inspectors, it is up to the age of 21 up to 27, and relaxation with relaxation with the usual relaxation for ST and SE candidates. And for the other categories, for the UB and the AB categories, it is 18 to 21 years of age, with effect from 1st of April, 1st of January 2024, with the usual relaxation. This time we have increased to be more friendly towards the candidates, to be more accommodating to the candidates. We have increased our pet centers into 5 pet centers in various parts of the state, starting with Mawyong, which will cater to Khasi Hills and East Khasi Hills, and also to Riboy. And then we have Sapsen, which will cater to in Juai, which is in the 3rd Battalion, which will cater to the Jaintia Hills. Then we have Sopian in 4th MLP in Nongstoin, which will cater to the West Khasi Hills. And similarly, we have another center in the 2nd MLP Battalion, Goregiri, which will cater to the western range of the Garo Hills. And then we have another center in the 5th MLP Battalion in Samanda, which will cater to the East Garo Hills, including a few who would like to come from North Garo Hills and also South Garo Hills. Also, there's another change which the government has approved. We will, to reduce the number of applicants to who will qualify for the written. It has been decided that those who have qualified for PET, out of those who have qualified for PET, only 20 times the number of vacancies will be taken into consideration. For example, now if you are, for example, 76 sub-inspectors vacancy, so 20 times the number of 76 vacancies will qualify for the written. And subsequent, this is also for the other posts. So subsequently for the written, I mean, after you qualify the written, then the written is the usual, which as per the CRB rules, for the sub-inspector it's 2 times the vacancies, and for other ranks, that is the UB category and the AB category, it is 1.5 the number for the interview, who will come for the interview. Uh, this time we've tried to, we put in a lot of, we had a series of meetings and we had a series of discussions. We're trying to make this recruitment process more candidate friendly. So for the written exam, we are trying to reach out to all the candidates. So we will try to accommodate them in their own district headquarters. So they need not, all of them need not come to Shillong, or all of them need not come to Tura. If we have a sizable number of, for example, if we have a sizable number of candidates from Jaintia Hills, we will try to accommodate them either in Juai or both Juai and Kleria also. So they need not travel far for the written exam. The fees, this time we have, it has slightly increased. It has gone to 150 rupees per candidate. All candidates are requested to kindly ensure that you maintain a unique mobile number. Unique mobile number, as in this mobile number should be kept with you, should be utilized, because the process of application will be dependent on OTPs. So I'm requesting the candidates that please dedicate one mobile number for your application form, so all OTPs can you can access all your OTPs, and all messages, all information will be forwarded to that particular number. Another change that we have brought this time during the recruitment is that the medical, after you've completed your interview, those who have qualified for interview, and after you've completed your interview, you will all candidates will have to undergo a medical test prior to receiving your appointment letter. Earlier, people are given the appointment letter and then subsequently sent to for medical tests. It is we've learned from the past that people who have given the appointment letter and sent for medical tests, sometimes some of them have failed medical tests. So it becomes a problem. It becomes a heartburn for the candidates themselves. So prior to issuing the appointment letters, we will be sending them for medical tests, and if they clear the medical tests, then they will be issued their appointment letters. Very transparent process, and every candidate will have to submit his biometrics, and all those data will be available with us. So as in the last recruitment, we had one case of impersonation. Another person came in another person's you, and when he submitted his biometrics, it was found that this was a duplicate person. He was another person, and also criminal proceedings were taken up against him. So likewise, I'm advising all the candidates that please avoid from any illegality with you, because criminal proceedings may be brought about. And the commandants, where all SPs and commandants will be requested to assist in felicitating the candidates, because we believe a large number of people from the rural areas will be applying for these posts, but unfortunately they may not have internet access or computer availability within their view. So we are requesting all the SPs and all the commandants to assist these candidates whenever they require to fill up their application forms. This number is 6033164273. I repeat, 6033164273. This number is a helpline number for any of your issues, but it will be available only during working hours, that is between 10 and 5 in the day, during working days. And for those candidates who would like to have any issues and all, we have an email number which will redress your problems. The email is police-trg-meg@gov.in. I'll spell it out: policetrg-meg@gov.in.